Oh, just got one. Creek chub. Oh, just got one. Oh, there he is. Perch. Shit. Oh. Pretty cool. Oh my god! Dude. Dude, I caught 2 fish.
I caught a big ass. What?
Caught a perch and a creek chub. Dude! My camera's on.
Look at that.
Dude! That's a monster!
Yeah, I know. Will his tail blow up?
No.
No, nigga.
But it just hurts him.
Shit.
That's sick.
Damn, this nigga.
Look at the size of those claws.
Don't bite your camera.
No way.
Dude. This guy's huge.
Let me see his feet. Wow.
Look at the leeches on him.
See him? Yeah. Nasty ass. Fucking leeches. What's the point of sucking on a shell?
Dumbasses. Get the fuck
Good
off.
baby.
Wanna use it? Right there. There's one.
Ugh. Holy shit. Sick. Nice.
Feed him to my turtle.
Is he shitting on you? Grab him by his, like, don't hold him like that.
Come on, you fucker. Would my turtle eat this?
Yeah.
Want to feed it to him?
Sure.
Or want to let him go?
I don't know. Just let him go.
He was like right there swimming across this shit. And then I like looked up and I saw him and he saw me. And he swam over.
Dude, this is a sick pond.
And the snapping turtle was over in that corner.
Dude, there's a lot of stuff in there.
I know.
Do you think there's fish?
No, but there's mad frogs. This all dried up completely else. Remember this shit used to have all out here?
Whoa. Yo, what? These tadpoles?
Where?
These are tadpoles.
Probably, dude. There's mad frogs in here.
Dude.
Look, there's a frog right there. There's another one.
Yo, that's sick. Here, let me see that net. Hold my hat.
Yeah, the turtle was right there when he saw me. And I like tried running, but it was too late. Dude, imagine if that was a big ass turtle right there. Those aren't tadpoles. Justin.
What?
Whisper.
What the hell's in here? You see all that shit moving?
Huh?
There's a bunch of stuff moving. Oh, they are tadpoles.
Does snapping turtle eat this?
Why would you ever feed that to a snapping turtle?
I'm just wondering, like, if it was in the same tank, would it eat it?
Probably.
How the fuck?
Yeah. I'm gonna put them in my pond.
What if you caught my snapping turtle doing that?
That's sick.
Probably caught him like mid-swim.
No, it was chilling in the mud. Don't do that.
Why?
That's sick.
Yeah, this pond is loaded with turtles, dude.
It goes way back there too.
No, it doesn't. It ends right there.
Yeah, all over there.